My husband and I listen to podcasts when we walk in the morning time. And so Laura was interviewed on one of the podcasts that we listened to like 8 months ago. And we started listening to Laura then on her own website, or I mean, on her own podcast. And we just loved what she said. We just felt like she was so well educated and just brought everything down to make it simple and understandable, and that it was something that we both really related to. And so we were going on a trip to Santa Fe because both our birthdays are at the end of September. And so we just decided to come the weekend earlier and me go to the seminar. So,
I love it.
Yeah.
And what has been your favorite part of today?
Wow. That would be so hard to.
Or maybe just a few highlights that have stuck
Yeah,
out to you.
I mean, I thought I like what she's doing, going through all the 12 steps. I think that's very, very important for women. I think she has just, made me realize how important it is for us to see ourselves as a sexual being, because it affects every other part of our life. And I never thought about it like that, and about how the husband and the wife together then can make it whole with them, working on it together.
Yeah.